Everyone. So this is my second video in React series. First video was about the React introduction. You can go and watch this video from here, from this YouTube channel. And I'm going to cover my second topic, React JS without any installation or pre-setup, how we can run a static website. So let's begin this today's topic, and agendas are here written. Here are pointers, so which we are going to see throughout in our this video. Generally, I would like to inform you that we use npm node package manager to run our React project, but in today's videos I am going to show you all how we can use CDN, which is stand for content delivery network, and run our React project. Okay, and I will also give you example of that. And in the last I will ask one interview question for you all, so you are open to reply that in the comment section. I will review your comments and response on that. So let's begin today's topic. This is the Visual Studio Code, one text editor. So in market, as we are already aware, or we know that there are more text editors like Notepad++ and Sublime Text. You can utilize any of them and you can write your code from there. If you are new and beginner, then I will recommend to use Visual Studio Code because it is user friendly and there are lots of features we can utilize in our projects. If you want to install Visual Studio Code, you can go simply here in the Chrome website or any browsers, and you can write Visual Studio Code. Then you can go to the official website of Visual Studio Code, and according to your operating system you can download from here. Let's suppose if you are using Windows, then here you can see the Windows. I'm using Mac, so it's now showing Mac. Just you need to simply click on this button, then download will be installed. But I don't need to use this because I have already installed this, so I'm going to cancel that one. You can, after installation, you just need to press on next and install button. It will be installed in your system. There is nothing major to do this installation. Okay, now I have already created one folder with the name of day2. I am going to create two files. One is for just purpose of writing the CDN URL, so you don't need to write this, you don't need to create this file, but just for my references I am creating this one. And next, HTML file, index.html. So how we can get the CDN URLs? We can go simply in Chrome and type CDN links with React W3 school, and first URL you can open. Then here you can see the scripts, right? There are 3 scripts which we need to include in our page. I will just simply copy here in data.txt file, and I will also share in the description of this video, so you can refer from there as well. After that, I will create one boilerplate of React using abbreviation. And now what I can see, there is a basic template, right? One is HTML tag, then head tag, then body tag, and HTML tag has been closed, right? So this is a basic structure of HTML. Now I will include our script tag which I have copied from the W3 school and include in our file, right? Then I will just write one simple div, hello from HTML, and I also just wanted to update this title, React with CDN. Okay, what I will do, I will open this page index.html. You can open with any web browser like Safari or Chrome or any other browsers, but I am using here live server. So this is a one extension of this Visual Studio Code. And what is the purpose of using it? It will refresh your page automatically. You don't need to go here and refresh your page. Let's suppose I am just editing this text. Now you can see it has been updated already, right? So you can go simply in extension and type here live server, and after that you can install this extension if you want. Okay, so this is a basic HTML, right? We can get a result of this basic HTML div, right? So how we can include React code? Let me show you. So we will include a script tag. Script tag generally we use in JavaScript. Who already know, then they can relate here that script tag, under script tag we write our JavaScript codes. Okay, so here we need to define the type is equals to text then slash bubble. I know this term will be new for the few of the developers who are at the beginner level and just started learning to React, but don't need to worry, we are going to cover these things in the future. So bubble is coming from this script, right? We have imported this script first, React, then React DOM, then bubble. So bubble is coming from here. Just you keep attention how we can run this program, and in the future surely we are going to cover these topics, and these we will see in the details. Yeah, now what I will do, I will create a one component is also new for few. So it is just a piece of code we write, and we can utilize that piece of code in several places in our pages. Okay, so we can reuse that code. In React there are two types of components majorly: class based components and functional based component. First I am going to give you an example of class based component. I will write just one simple example. Start with the keyword class, then name of the class, let's suppose it is grade, then extends to react dot component class. Sorry, component class. Then need to write render, there is return. So this is a basic structure we are following to write class based component. I will here write one div, and just for structuring I am giving here spaces. I will write hello from React. Yes. Okay, so now we have written codes here for React, and this is for HTML. Correct. How we can include this, right? How we can do? So for that we will write code here to use React DOM to link with this div and this script tag. For that first I will give here one ID, and the name of the ID we can give my div. Then here we can write const root equals to react dom dot create root then document dot get element by id. Then we can define this id which we have given to this div. After that can write root dot render. Then we can here write the class name, and we can simply call the class name here same as HTML tags. Can close that tag here itself. Now we can see the output. Now we can see hello from React.js is showing. So it has replaced this div content with the React, right? So we can see hello from HTML has been replaced with this React script, the React code. So now we can remove this code because it is not in use in our page, right? So we can get the exact output, required output. And also just I wanted to let you know that if you are getting any types of error or any warning, so we can see here after inspecting this page. As of now there is no error and there is one warning, but if we can ignore this one, so we can get the error related information in this console. Okay, now I will create another component which will be based on function based. I will give one basic example of function based component. I will write here function keeper, then test, then return. I'm going to create one basic button. So this is the syntax to write function based component. I will write here one button, then I will give the text click me, and on this button I will include one functionality. Let's suppose on click, and function name is click the button. I have not write the function code. I will include here. I will use arrow function here, const, then arrow, then just I wanted to show alert after clicking on this button. Alert button, and text is button click from you. You can write anything here. Now just let me show you the page. Anything is not showing here, right, until now, because we haven't called this function. We have to call this function, so we can write here, right? Similar way we can call here like as greet and include here. Now you can see this button has been included in our page, and after clicking on this button we are getting the alert button click from you. I hope this is clear and useful. So we have seen how we can utilize React code using a script tag and these three your script links in our head tag, and run the React static website without any pre-installation or setup. So now we can see the result, how it will work, right? I hope this video is useful for you, and next I'm going to ask interview question. So please let me know that why we use NPM. And this question is asked with the interviewers many times. So please read this and search for it why we use the NPM, and comment in the comment section. I will go through your comments and reply back. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video, and until that, bye. Thank you so much. Take care and all the best. Thank you.